Good morning, my dear children. This is P. Vasantakumar, social teacher from DAV High School, SDSTPS AP Genco in Altur. Children, today we are going to learn new topic globes and maps. First part. Children, have you ever wondered how does Earth looks like from the space? It looks like a blue ball, but it is difficult to see the entire Earth without going into the space. So, we use a model of Earth to study about it. This model of Earth is called a globe. Let us learn more about globes. The globe, man made three dimensional spherical model of our planet Earth. The globe shows exact shape and position of continents, countries, oceans, and seas. Now let us see a map. Maps are two-dimensional representation of the globe. They are drawn on a paper or black surface like on wall or on board and help to understand the specific limited part of the earth. Maps also facilitate or detailed study of the physical aspects of the earth. Now let us see the differences between a globe and a map. Globe, three-dimensional representation of the earth drawn to scale. Now map, the two-dimensional representation of the earth drawn to scale. Globe covers areas in a broader form. Map more detailed than globes. Globe not very easy to carry around. Map can be folded and carried easily. Globe provides details such as the capital of the country or any important place. Maps include minute details about the street and road of a particular area. Let us learn important lines on the model of the earth. Some imaginary lines have been developed to help us study earth. The poles are the northernmost and southernmost points on the earth. The axis is the imaginary line around which the earth rotates. It passes center of the earth joining both the poles. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves called the hemispheres. The part of the earth between the equator and north pole is called northern hemisphere. The part of the earth between the equator and the south pole is called southern hemisphere. Now let us see lines of latitude. Latitudes are a set of imaginary lines running parallel to the equator. The distance between the latitudes is the same. They are also called parallels of latitude. The equator is the longest latitude. Latitudes lie between the equator and the two poles. There are 181 latitudes in all, including equator. The line of latitude at 23 and of degree north is called Tropic of Cancer, while that at 23 and of degrees south is called Tropic of Capricorn. These lines have great significance on climatic and vegetative distribution on the earth. The line of latitude at 66 and a half degrees south is called Antarctic Circle, while that at 66 and a half degrees north is called Arctic Circle. The equator marked as 0 degree latitude. The North Pole is marked as 90 degrees north latitude, which lies in the Arctic Ocean. The South Pole is marked as 90 degrees south latitude, which lies in the Antarctic Ocean. The equator and the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn are important line of latitudes on the globe. Let us see lines of longitude. Longitudes are imaginary lines that run vertically between the two poles. Unlike latitudes, distance between the longitudes is maximum at the equator and minimum at the poles. 0 degree of longitude is called prime meridian, and it is also called Greenwich meridian because it passes through named Greenwich near London. The prime meridian on one side of the earth completes a full circle with the 180 degrees meridian on the other side. The part of the earth to the west of the prime meridian is called Western Hemisphere, while the part line to its east is called Eastern Hemisphere. Each hemisphere has 180 longitudes in all. Now let us see locating a place using longitudes and latitudes. A grid is a set of imaginary lines that run in a crisscross manner across the globe, or on a map that helps us in locating places on the earth in an easier manner. The latitudes and the longitudes meet at a point on the grid, marking the exact position of a place on the earth. Each latitude and longitude stands for 1 degree. The prime meridian and the equator intersect at a point located in the Gulf of Guinea, 180 miles south of Ghana in the Atlantic Ocean. Latitudes and longitudes, some important cities. London, England, 51 degrees 32 minutes north, 0 degrees 5 minutes west. New Delhi, 28 degrees 35 minutes north, 77 degrees 12 minutes east. Mumbai, India, 18 degrees 55 minutes north, 72 degrees 48 minutes east. Children, this session has completed. Next session, we will meet with the second part of globes and maps. Thank you, my dear children.